can move it from here.
Hi guys, this is Matisse. You are cooking with Royalty, but as of right now, you are catering with Royalty. I am at Nutrimax Laboratories in Lancaster, South Carolina, and we are having a retirement gathering for Betty Clark. This is some of the stuff that I do. Besides cooking, I also cater. We do have macaroni and cheese. Well, it's soul food. We have macaroni and cheese, rice and gravy, rotisserie chicken, sweet honey glazed ham, butter croissants. Just for some of the little healthy eaters, if they want some cheese and grapes, they more than welcome to have some cheese and grapes. But we do have that cheesy macaroni and cheese, like I say. But this is some of the stuff that I do. Oh yeah. And just a small snippet of what I do. Royalty Catering Service out of Lancaster, South Carolina, or Lancaster, South Carolina, if you want to pronounce it that way. Here she go. This is the woman of the hour. She is retiring.
Speech.
I just want to thank everybody. I love everybody and I appreciate everything. And I had already told Dr. Troy that Nutrimat moved here just in time. I mean, when no jobs was here and the other plant was closing, God had really provided for us, and I just want to thank God. This is the first company that I was able to work for, a godly company. And I do encourage everybody to keep it going, to love each other. When you see something wrong, pray for each other, correct it, and I just thank God for this company. I really do. God has really been good to me. And I just pray that each and every one of y'all have an opportunity to do what I'm doing one day.
Yes!
I just want to give honor what honor due. Lord knows, when I first came over here,
There's a whole hour.
I already knew because I was already a godly person, but he teaches people, if you lie, if you get in more trouble lying than telling the truth. And I really so appreciate that because that stuck with me. You know, which that I always
Royalty Catering,
true anyway.
Lancaster, South Carolina.
Everything, y'all. Dr. Bob, I know the man hard.